Kerja Bina ARSHATA. My metric number is 8.069. Now I want to share introduce about bag delivery. The food delivery service industry is growing up and has a good potential in Malaysia and global now. Delivery supervisor service to increase customer certification and loyalty is critical is any service industry to gain competitive advantage. The service always costs consumer to order from regular restaurants and place orders via its mobile application as well the website. The type of delivery bag will determine whether the food is still in good condition or not during the food delivery. Okay, next is business problem and issue. Number one is food and behaviors split during delivery, and number two is consignated food quality. Number three is not convenient compartment for cool and hot isolation pipe, and number four is temperature resistant of food and behavior resistant in a limit period.
Good morning to my lecturer. My name is MANIMARAN. My metric number is 23 DLS 19F1068. I am from class DLS 5C and from the team of C5. First of all, objective of business project. General objective is to design a new foodpanda bag and also adding new drink compartments. Lastly, expanding space of the new foodpanda bag. For the specific objectives, to identify the problem with the current foodpanda bag by riders. Next is to identify the strengths and weakness of new foodpanda bag innovation product. Lastly, to determine the ability and effectiveness of expanding the new bag for foodpanda riders. Next is scope of business project. For who? 30 of foodpanda riders. When? Project held from September 2021 and in January 2022 for where area around Shalam and Klang, Selangor. For how to improve the food delivery bag by including a section dedicated to beverages which will aid riders in completing the delivery procedure without spilling any drinking water. For why? To solve the problem that faced by foodpanda riders and expand the delivery bag. Third is limitation of business time constraints. Outcomes of this business project will suffer as a result of the short time frame and movement control order. Cross-state movement is not allowed to could affect the collection data and discussion with teammates. Next is limited responded. The survey conducted may not be considered as comprehensive as only limited responders could be contacted because of the time constraint. Lastly is financial constraints. The cost of the project, often dubbed the project's budget, comprises all of the financial resources need to complete the project on time.
Hi, my name is KOMATHI SIVARAMAN. My metric number is 23DLS19F1084. Today I'm going to talk about process to develop product. New product strategy is the process of bringing a new innovation to customers from concept to testing through distribution. New product development strategies look at improving existing products to invigorate an existing market to create a new products that the market seeks, like our fella delivery bag. Next, idea generation is described as the process of creating, developing, and communicating abstract, concept, or visual ideas. For an example, we have created a compartment to put water containers in our fella delivery bag. Screening evaluation is the concept screening services make it easy and fast for food business to vet new or struggling concepts and optimize the efficient success pathways. Business analysis is a research discipline of identifying business needs and determining solutions to business problems. The problems that we face is food and beverage spills during delivery and temperature resistance of foods and beverage resistance in a limited period and more. Development. Development is an event constituting a new stage in a changing situation. Market testing is a way to see how well a product, service or offering will perform or not. It generally is made of trials of research that aim to answer questions around how the product will react to the product launch. Finally, commercialization or commercialization is the process of introducing a new product or production method into a commerce, making it available on the market. Next, novelty, latest features that are not yet on the market, and it also easier for delivery service. UNTITLED is expanding the delivery bag, has a strong and non-rusty PVC frame, and our maintaining quality is to put drinking water into the container.
SWOT analysis. Strengths. Strengths are factors which a company holds expertise in and contribute to the continued success of the organization. These are the basis for the continued success of the organization and will assist in gaining the organization missions. Weakness. Weakness are factors that prevent an organization from meeting its missions and achieving full potentials. These weaknesses hamper the organization's success and growth. Opportunities. The environment which our organizations operates offer opportunities. An organization can identify such opportunities and enjoy benefit arising from them by planning and executing required strategies. Threats are factors existing in the external environment that jeopardize the profitability and reliability of the organization. Such risks are uncontrollable and prove to be a risk to the stability and survival of the organization. Author's 5 forces. First, threats of new entrants. Marketplace can reduce or threaten the market shares and profitability of existing competitors. Second, bargaining powers of buyers, providing a latest features and quality compared to existing delivery bag. Third, threats of substitute product, threatening when buyers can easily find substitute product with a better quality from other competitors. Fourth, bargaining powers of suppliers. Dream Creative, Fabric News, and Rana Kit in the Shopee platform hold bargaining powers. Lastly, rivalry among the existing competitors. Competitor has weakness delivery bag food delivery for providing quality customers food.
Hi, my name is TENGKU AMIRA NAJWA binti TENGKU ISHAK. My metric number 23DLS19F1096. Today, I would like to share about justification for our product. Okay, first, the delivery process does prevent spillage of foods as the delivery bag consists food compartments to place order accordingly. FELA delivery bag considered as an important project, especially during this pandemic era, because of its necessity in solving delivery problems faced by food panda riders. It enables riders to deliver many orders at once as the space in the bag is adequate to equip large number of orders. Third, the important to delivery rider as it measures the quality of delivery. Food products should be delivered improperly and safely to the customer, or rider will be able to maintain their key performance index by maintaining the quality by following the standard procedure of their companies. Because customers always expect to eat clean food, and as a service provider, it is an experience that riders should aim to provide. Next, the condition of the food product delivered, as this project ensures food safety throughout delivery. Because high quality delivery will improve the experience of the customer. It will satisfy the customer and gain their loyalty to using food delivery platform more often. Last, difficult to deliver meals from a restaurant far away from the customer's location while keeping the highest level of quality. The contrast between food served on restaurant premise and food delivered to one home creates a major gap the food delivery companies should try possible to manage. Next part is methodology. Okay, first research design. Okay, what is research design? Research design is the framework of research methods and techniques chosen by researchers. The design allows researchers to hone in on research methods that are suitable for the subject matter and set up their study up from success. There are two types of research. First, qualitative research, and second, quantitative research. For our group, we research design by collecting quantitative data is through questionnaire. Second, sampling design. What is sampling design? Okay, sampling design refers to the plans and methods to be followed in selecting sample from the target population and the estimation techniques formula for computing the sample statistics. These statistics are the estimate used to infer the population parameters. Sampling design used for clearly defined target population, select sampling frame, choose sampling techniques, determine sample size, collect data, and last, access response rate. Third, data collection method. Okay, data collection methods focus on the following basic techniques. This includes secondary and primary data collection, focusing on qualitative and quantitative data as defined in the previous section. To produce the FELA delivery bag, the designer was interviewed by 6 students involved in the production of this product. An online interview was conducted on Google Meet. A regular delivery bag has been chosen to be the main bag to the upgraded design as a result of the availability of a place to put water. And last, data analysis method. The conclusion of the project are discussed in this data analysis, which is based on the examination of data acquired from respondents' response to the Google Form questionnaire. The purpose of this data analysis is to describe the responses to the study question about the importance of compartment in the food panda bag among the riders.
Our product impact is 93.3% of total respondents were agreed and they feel comfortable after the bag size is expanded. This shows that our bag is better than any other delivery bags. Next, 96.7% of riders response agreed that FELA delivery bag have plenty of space for foods. Besides that, 100% riders respond strongly agreed that the FELA delivery bag is safe to use for delivering foods and beverages. Lastly, 80% of respondents agreed that this FELA delivery bag is heat resistant and almost 30 minutes away before each customers receive their food. Our commercialization packages, at the left hand side you can see our Facebook platform for FELA delivery bag. At the right hand side you can see Instagram platform for our FELA delivery bag. Our FELA delivery bag is getting quite famous on Facebook and Instagram as it is got many different and unique functions. The price of the delivery bag is $150. A 10% discount will be given for purchases in the first month of the FELA delivery bag once it is marketed toward the market. As a conclusion, the main objective of this project is to expand the capacity of the delivery bag. The problem faced by many foodpanda riders is where food and beverages are often spilled during delivery. So by our mind-blowing project, I am 100% sure that this problem can be solved. Fella delivery bag can help riders in making delivery of food safer and more efficient, and can be marketed more widely throughout the state.